What a great day for a walk in the forest. All of our animal friends are having such a great time. What's happening? Oh no, the trees are cut down. Can you hear that? It sounds like somebody needs help. Where could they be? It's a baby bear. Oh, he's stuck. Quick, let's get him out of there. Whew, he's okay. What can we do to help out the forest? Oh, great idea, little guy. We can plant trees. What do we do first? We need to find a spot that will get a lot of sunlight. Okay, what's next? Let's use the shovel to dig a hole. Great, now we should, oh, I know, let's put the seeds into the hole we dug. Now let's cover it up with soil. Perfect, the last step. Do you know what it is? Yep, the watering can. Plants get thirsty, so make sure to give it plenty of water. I think we need one more thing. We need to have a lot of patience. Trees take a long time to grow, but when it grows big and strong, all of our forest friends will have a safe place to call home. Thanks for helping, friends. You did so great.